I was so in love with these jerseys that Beyoncé and Blue were wearing at the Renaissance tour and decided to recreate my own. All right, y'all, I picked up all of the materials that I need for this DIY. I got a white t-shirt from Walmart, some rhinestones from Walmart, camel print and white fabric from Joann's, fabric tack from Joann's, some sequin fabric in orange and blue from Amazon, some patches, and some iron-on adhesive from Amazon. I'm so excited to start this DIY. Let's get started. To start this DIY, I measured the orange sequin fabric and cut out pieces to match the front and back panels of the t-shirt. After cutting out both pieces, I hand stitched the front and back pieces to the t-shirt, as you can see here. In order to replicate the blue stripe going down the side of the jersey, I measured about 2.5 inches of the sequin blue fabric by 19 inches. I used white fabric, camel print fabric, and iron-on adhesive in order to make the lettering. I cut out duplicates of the letters and numbers in order to make a white outer layer lining and an inner camel print lining. I traced out each letter and number on both the fabric and the adhesive paper. After tracing, I cut out each letter and number, lined it up on the adhesive paper in order to iron. Now it's time for the fun part, bedazzling. To add the rhinestones, I followed the white lining on each letter and number by adding fab tack glue. And here is my finished Ivy Park jersey. I had so much fun making this DIY for the Renaissance tour. I decided to put a 2 on the back for my birthday because I was seeing Beyoncé on her birthday. If you want to check me out on my other socials, I am at the Charmaine Marie on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. I have some fun fashion DIYs on the way, so be sure to follow and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.